What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Voices by Skye and XXXTENTACION. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will throat punch you in the back of the head with a prison chain. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning, and as always, if you need the guitar tab for this, I will leave a link to it in the bottom of the video description, so once you get done with the video, if you need that, it will be there for you. Technically, this song is played on an electric guitar with like some reverb and some delay, and it is all the way up on, you could like capo the 12th fret, or like you could bar it up here on the 12th fret. It's a little bit too hard if you're playing it on an acoustic guitar, but the tab that I have for it is technically with a capo on the 12th fret, but it's the same thing numbers wise as far as like playing it down here, because you're just gonna be playing it down where the A minor formation is. So starting with that A minor, you're gonna be at 002210. And you're gonna start by picking that A string, D string, G string, B string, all just one right after another. Then you're gonna pick A, G, A, D. So A, D, G, B, A, G, A, D. Then all you're going to do from there is put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the low E, and you're going to pick the exact same way. Instead of picking your A string, everything that you were picking for your A is now going to be your low E. So E, D, G, B, E, G, E, D. And then from here on out, that picking pattern right there stays the exact same. But from there, you're going to put your thumb on the 2nd fret and pick the exact same way. E, D, G, B, E, G, E, D. And then you're going thumb on the 1st fret and picking the exact same way. E, D, G, B, E, G, E, D. And then it starts all over, and that repeats throughout the entire song. So all together from the top, slowly, starting here. Pinky on 3. Thumb on 2. Thumb on 1. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.